Today on World Famous Foods, we're going to be making our own marinara sauce. Let's do this. Alright folks, so we're going to dice our tomatoes. Then we're going to put them in a blender and pulse them for a little bit before we start cooking. Welcome to World Famous Foods. Coming to you again from New York. If Ron Daniels can watch this video. Alright, so now we're gonna put some olive oil in our pan, add our onions, and saute these down until they're translucent. Okay, now we're gonna add our garlic. World Famous Foods version, we're going to add some Serrano peppers in here. Now we're going to add our tomatoes in. We're going to add the rest of our tomatoes and we're going to let this cook for about an hour on medium. Okay, before we cover, let's add some salt, for the black pepper, stir this up a little bit. Cover and let cook. Alright folks, kind of foggy, but we're going to add some basil to this now. There we go. Let's keep on cooking. Alright folks, it's been an hour. Aroma is amazing. There we have it folks. Our World Famous Foods marinara sauce. Enjoy.